Hey, welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and after not even 2 weeks of ordering, here is the Retekess TR608. So this is a cheap portable available on eBay, on Amazon. So not even 2 weeks to actually get it. Shipped from China. And here's the little unboxing. There doesn't seem to be too much in here. Nothing else in the bottom of the box. So this is, of course, an AM, FM, shortwave receiver. And here we go. This is the radio. Looks kind of cute though in the box. Little stand in the back. Uses regular batteries. I like that. And so here is what it looks like. So it comes with a little instruction manual. That is this. Let's just check it out quickly. So FM, a medium wave, shortwave, airband receiver. And not a lot of instructions, but just barely enough to know how to operate this radio. So I'll be, of course, testing this out. You'll have a few videos coming up, and probably maybe a couple today already. We'll be testing its capabilities for both the medium wave, short wave, and airband, and we'll be giving my own review. With this, probably my review will already be coming this week. I'll be testing it enough so that everybody knows what it's all about. So I wanted a cheap portable, so it's not very expensive, out of China. I saw a few of them. I saw some people using one, and I thought, well, let's test it out. Somebody also wanted to know what it was like. So the Retekess TR608 AM FM shortwave airband radio that will be tested in the coming days. And of course, lots of videos coming up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.